Uncle, her son didn't even finish the first one.
That's for his husband.
Husband? Sorry.
Yeah, what's he gonna do with you?
Extremely loyal husband, it would seem, the way he's courageously jumped to your defence. Oh no, my mistake. He's just sitting there like a rather embarrassed child.
He doesn't speak English.
He probably does. He's just never been able to get a word in edgeways.
Here's your burger. You big fat puff.
I get it, Sheila. Get it.
I don't want to eat another pig out of either of you two or you're barred. Do you understand?
Hey, come on, move away. There's nothing to see here. Please, go back to where you came from. The show is over.
Oh my God!
You know this woman?
Oh, fuck!
You could. She's my daughter.
Uh-oh.
Sponsored by Zamoreto. It's the big half-price toy sale at Asda. We've got toy garages for the boys, dolls' houses for the girls, Disney ride-ons for the little ones. We've got loads and loads of toys, all at half price. Christmas might seem a while away, but why not get in early? Just make sure you've got enough hiding places. Asda, saving you money every day.
At VHS on Friday, Saturday and Sunday with a fantastic 20% off everything. That's 20% off all women's, men's and kids' clothing. Lingerie, home and furniture too. 20% off everything. In-store and online at VHS. Friday, Saturday and Sunday.
When you take a shower, make yourself at home.
Zero sugar, it's possible.